Hi everybody. So this was originally supposed to be a talk through, get ready with me type of thing. But as you can hear, my kids in the back, they said, nah, ma, we're not gonna do it. That's my twin girls, they're one. So they don't let me live at all. Like they live, I don't. It's whatever though. So for this look, we're gonna start with the NYX or NYX. I'll call it NYX. I don't care what y'all call it. Anyway, it's the NYX Hydra Touch Primer. It feels so good. I have oily skin in my T-zone, but for some reason, I guess it's the winter time, I'm very dry. My nose is swelling and everything, and I just need to put a base on, and this one feels amazing. Now we're going to use the Dewy Plus Smooth, or Dewy and Smooth, whatever you want to call it, okay? It's the Maybelline Fit Me, and I pour my colors into a Sephora bottle because I just don't like the Maybelline bottle for the Maybelline Fit Me foundations, so I like to squirt it out. I usually don't squirt it on the back of my hand very often. I just squirt it directly onto my face. Last time I did that, I kind of got it in my husband's shirt because I was wearing it at the time. He's not very happy. He also doesn't know, so let's not say a word. He just knows it's a spot. He doesn't know where it came from. I'm not going to tell him his makeup. So I'm just going to blend this in. Oh my God, what was that? Did y'all see that? Oh, my face. I'm so stressed. Anyway, we're just going to blend that out. I don't really put in the description about my brushes because I just get them like off Amazon and things. Just get like a pack of them. I'm just using a flat. Y'all, I'm tired, okay? It's only like 10 o'clock and I'm already exhausted. I got 4 kids, a dog, a cat, and a husband. Listen, I'm tired. Don't judge me. I'm using this flat base brush. Might not be using it right. Doesn't matter. Now we're going to go on with the LA Girl, y'all. I'm almost out of this stuff. I love it. I use it universally. So, yeah. I'm just going to sit here and highlight this. I don't highlight like a lot of people do. I just highlight what works for me. I kind of got a mustache, so I'll put that there. This brush I actually got out of my Boxy Charm box. I like it. It feels so good. And it blends really good. I don't even know if this is for blending, but I'm going to use it for blending. You know why? Because it works. I don't know if there is like a information page on how to use your brushes, but this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use what I see for what I think it works for, and it works. I got a big forehead. Like, it's more under this wig, okay? It goes back. So we're just going to blend this in. And blend it. And blend it some more. I really, really want to use my Fenty. Oh my gosh. It's in the color Espresso. It works beautifully, but this is going to be an affordable look, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to use this LA Girl. Sorry, y'all, my phone died. I had to charge it and come back. So right here, you just see me using the Maybelline Fit Me in Deep Fonse. Oh, that's a different language. So anyway, it's the Maybelline Fit Me 35 Deep. I'm just going to put that all over. Now let's get into these brows. I used to use brow pencils. Now I'm using this pomade by Kiss. It works good for me. It's in the color Ebony. And I don't know how to do my brows, but it works. Like, my brows look good. And this one, they're a little crooked. I'm not even gonna lie. But somebody said, and it was a makeup artist, she said, your brows are sisters, not twins. I should know because I have twin girls. They don't look alike at all. So, yeah, we're just gonna play around with brows. I will say for my brows, I always start at the end. And I do my arch first and I work on my arch. I don't do my brows first because, I don't know, I always get foundation on my brows and I always have to redo them anyway. So I just go ahead and do them after my foundation and after I've set a little bit. This isn't like a full set. So I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm going to go in front and level some stuff out. They're not completely level. This is like quick because my kids are still crying. Even though my husband is working with them and, you know, keep them alive and stuff. I'm a mom. Like, I hear my kids crying, I'm gonna go and see about them. So that's why so many cutouts. Like, I'm peeping out the door, peeping back in, trying to make sure they're still alive, make sure they're not choking on anything because they do like to put things in their mouth. They're a year old. Y'all, they try my patience. All right, so this next palette I also got in BoxyCharm. This is pretty. It's the Crown Pro. Don't know who it's by. Don't know any of that. I just know it has some pretty colors. I'm going in with that chocolate color. The colors are labeled, so I guess you could just use any type of chocolate color that you see. And I'm just going to put that in the outer V corner of my eyelid. And we're just going to blend that in. I kind of want it to just subtly be there. Like, yeah, it's chocolate there, but it's not like harsh, you know? So now we're going to go in with this. It's like a light brown. I don't know. I'm going to call it flesh tone. That's what I'm going to use. For some reason, it's showing up a little red on camera, but it's not. It's not red at all. Like, even when I was looking in my mirror, it was not red. But it worked out. It's cute. Now I'm just going to go in with this lighter color. I forgot to show you. Wait, give me a second. There it is. All right. So it's like this champagne color. It looks white on camera because of the light and everything. But it's like a champagne gold. It's very pretty. It has like a little flash to the lid, I guess you can say. And it's my go-to. I'm also going to pop it right there in my brow bone or on my brow bone. Listen, y'all. Just work with me here, okay? I'm just going to pop it right there and then blend it in. All right, now I'm just going to go in with that color that I just showed you. And I'm just going to blend everything. Connect the colors with the brow bone and just, you know, just make everything flow. Now, let's go in with some highlights. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is like my favorite palette. It also came in the BoxyCharm box. This is Twilight. These are labeled, and this color is beautiful. I love it as a highlight. As you can see, it's almost gone. I'm just gonna pop it on my nose. Yeah, I do that too. I don't do it often, but I have small lips, or small in compared to everybody else. So I'm just gonna highlight that a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the blush. The blush color that I'm using is very, very pretty. It's called Hidden Secret. You know, I'm gonna hide it because I don't blush for real. Now let's get into these lips. This is Smashbox. I love this. It feels so good. It's Deep Thoughts. I'm not really thinking very deep when I'm doing this. I'm just like, okay, I need like a brownish color, more like a, you know, like a nudie type of color. I'm gonna pop a little bit of pink right there, just to line up the inside of my lip a little bit, because I don't want them all to look brown. Yes, that feels so good. Oh my gosh. Chapstick. Now, I don't always use lip gloss because if I'm running out and I just have the twins with me, I can't. So, yeah, chapstick. This is It Cosmetics. I'm not wearing lashes with this look because my kids see them as like foreign objects on my face and they automatically go to them. I need my real lashes to stay attached to my face too. So I'm just gonna pop on some little mascara and give the illusion that I have something there, even though I really don't have much. It's in the color Superhero. Ooh, that is cute. I didn't even notice that was the name. So we're just gonna put some mascara on. They don't usually go for mascara. This is it. Let's get rid of that. Okay, yeah, so let's fix this hair a little bit. This hair is from Premium Lace Wigs. It was a blonde B613 wig. Listen, it was yellow. Couldn't do it. So I took some L'Oreal color. This is Ash Blonde, and I darkened the roots a little bit with some root touch up. It worked, okay? So, yeah, it needs to be done. Stay tuned for a future video on how I revived this wig. So, yeah, it looks cheap, but it's not. Trust me, it was not cheap. We're just gonna cover that up. Yeah, just throw it all on there because I have imperfections, okay? My chest looks bad, my face looks bad, but it's okay because we're gonna fix it. We're gonna look alive, okay? That's what we're doing here. So let's just cover all that up on my chest, a little bit up on my neck. Y'all see that line on my neck? Like, what is going on with me? Ooh. All right, so this is it. This is me. Yeah. I was feeling myself a little bit, and then I came back. Sorry. That was after I came back. And my makeup held up. Hair looked a mess, but we fixed it. And I'm done. So, snatch this off, because, whew, it's hot. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.